In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create broadcasts on ManyChat Messenger. First, let's get you into the right place inside ManyChat. Start by logging into your ManyChat account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. There, you'll see a menu with different sections. Find the option labeled Broadcasts and click on it. This is where you manage and create all your broadcast messages. Inside the Broadcasts section, look for the button that says New Broadcast and click it. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear asking where you want your broadcast to start. You'll see several options, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on Messenger. Go ahead and click Messenger so that your broadcast will be sent through Facebook Messenger. The page will now load a simple automation flow for your broadcast. At the top, you'll see a trigger that says something like, "You send a broadcast." That just means this is the event that starts the flow. Right after that trigger, you'll see the message step. Click on that message block to open the editor. In the message editor, you can type out whatever you want your audience to receive. For example, you might write something like, "Hi there, quick update for you. We just launched our new weekly special, 20% off all services booked this week. Tap below to claim your discount now. If you have any questions, just reply to this message and we're here to help." Make sure your message is clear, friendly, and gives people a reason to take action. Next, let's add a button to make it easy for people to respond or visit your offer. In the same message editor, add a button and change the button title to something like "Book Here," or any call to action that fits your goal. For the button action, choose Open Website, so that when someone taps the button, it takes them to a specific link. In the URL field, paste your booking page or any web page you want them to visit. Remember, this setup is just a sample. You can customize the message and button to match any type of broadcast you need. When your message looks good, it's time to choose who will receive it. Look at the bottom left of the screen and click Target Audience. Then click Plus Condition and set the conditions that define which subscribers should get this message, such as specific tags or segments. Finally, once your audience is set, go to the top right corner and click the clock icon. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the date and time to send your broadcast. Pick the schedule that works best for your audience, and when you're ready, click Schedule Broadcast. Your ManyChat Messenger broadcast is now set up and ready to go.